Hi there again, everyone. Josie here from Live at 50 and Beyond. Thanks for joining me here on my channel. Today, I am participating in a collaboration that is hosted by my friend Belinda Soto. If you haven't subscribed yet to her channel, please do subscribe because she is such a wonderful, creative lady. She has a lot of original ideas. She is into farmhouse too, but I think she's been delving to glam as well. Just like me, she's kind of trying a lot of different things as well. So please head out to her channel, and if you haven't subscribed to her yet, please do subscribe. And the other ladies on this collaboration, we have Araceli Chan, and you know that Araceli and I have collaborated several times here on my channel as well. She does glam, she does farmhouse as well. Although she doesn't just do DIYs, she has a lot of topics and materials on her channel, so head out there and subscribe. And another co-collaborator here is Green Crystal Rose. Her name is Lisa. She's into glam, and she's going to be doing also more than likely her glam style for spring. And a lot of her work looks so high-end that you wouldn't think that she just used Dollar Tree materials. So stop by her channel and subscribe. Next we have Kristen K, and she is such a fun young lady, and she does a lot of things in her channel too. She does cleaning videos, reviews, lots of DIYs, and she is into farmhouse as well. So head out to her channel and check out what she's going to do on this challenge and subscribe as well. And finally we have Jessica Measure and Mix, and she does a lot of DIYs on her channel. This young lady is so talented, and she also likes to use her tools. She does some home improvements as well, aside from crafty things. So head out to her channel and subscribe. She loves to do farmhouse as well. And we will be bringing you different spring decorations that you can use in your home. So I will be making something for the kitchen, and we will limit our expenses to $10 max. Okay, so we'll be using only Dollar Tree materials. I will be repurposing one of my DIYs. This is what I'm talking about, and I'm just going to show you in here an iCard as well as in the description box as well as a thumbnail at the end how I really created this using just this rolling pin that I painted in white. You can use craft paint or chalk paint to paint the handle, and then I use this two paddle shaped cutting board that I also got at Dollar Tree, and this is plastic and it's white, and then I decoupage this gift wrapper in buffalo checks that I purchased at the Target dollar spot for $1. So these are just frames. I cut one basket, the wired, and so I made it look like kind of chicken wire. I'm gonna decorate it in the farmhouse theme. So to do that, I'm just gonna be doing some embellishments. I purchased this. This is a bunch of kind of like almost realistic looking succulents with some flowers here, and this is also from the Dollar Tree, and they come, I think, in 3 styles. So I purchased this one. I like this one a lot, and I'm gonna be, like I said, I'm gonna be embellishing this. And I also have this, and these are leftovers from previous projects, so I also have this, and I'm also repurposing this. So all the things here are repurposed. Keep the cost down because this one is already $2 for the frame, $2 for the cutting board, and $1 for the handle, which is the rolling pin, so that's $5. And I have this board, which is free, but if you're gonna buy this, because it's gonna be another $1, but you just need an illustration board or a core board, a foam core board. So that's $1, $2, so $6 for this. This is a glass jar, and I think this was for seasoning, and I just removed the label, and I can just use this as is or paint it with my chalk paint. And if you don't have a jar like this, you can buy this at Dollar Tree, this milk jars or glass that they have at Dollar Tree, and you can just paint it white as well. Okay, and I'm going to be using my chalk paint. So I'm just going to be painting this. And then dry it, and once you dry it, you can distress it a little bit if you want by using sandpaper. So what I'm going to do to decorate or embellish this one, since I already have holes in it, I am just going to hook this underneath to hold it. But first, what I'm going to do is I am going to wrap twine around it, around the stem here. Okay, just right this portion here, and then I'm going to wind it down. And then I'm gonna put it in one of the holes. So I want to put it at the very bottom hole. Hopefully, that's why I didn't want to tie too much knots there. Hopefully it sticks. Yep, it does. And then I'm gonna go ahead and glue this portion so it doesn't wobble. Okay. So just glue the bottom side. Apply glue. And then just put it there. And then I may need to glue some of the leaves, not a lot, just to add a little bit more stability here. I'm gonna glue it because I think that's the best way for me right now, is to glue. Hold on to it. Okay, now that I think this is a little dry, now they sell sandpaper. They come in this kind of pack, okay, at Dollar Tree. See, they have a lot. And I'm just going to use this fine grit. And I'm just going to just do a little bit of kind of roughing it, you know. Just rough it up a bit. Not a whole lot, just make it really rustic. I think I overdid it on this side. Just do that. And yeah, so that some of the glass shows through, and it's going to be a little bit more rustic. And then I'm going to be tying this string, the remaining string. And if you want to do a lot, to wind it a lot, go ahead. I just want to use one string here. And then just it. So it's just going to be that. And I'm going to be placing it in the basket or caddy. And then I'm going to be putting my wooden utensils here. So let's go to our kitchen, and then I'll show you how it looks like. And here it is, guys. I forgot to show you. I added also the butterfly, and I put it there on the upper right corner. And I just hot glued it also onto the wire. And here are my salt and paper shakers. I put them inside this caddy. And then there's that glass vase or jar that I painted with chalk paint. And then I placed also some of the wooden spoons. These are optionals if you're going to use it here. They also sell at Dollar Tree those wooden spoons, just in case you're interested. And then I also added this frame, Cooked with Love. I purchased that at Dollar Tree as well. It's already framed this way. And I have this guy here, the chef. And my husband purchased that. He likes that. And it matches the buffalo check that I have on the paddle cutting board. So I hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Please share to anyone who may be interested in this type of project. Again, you can watch the video, the full tutorial on how I made the caddy on the video that I have inserted an iCard on the first portion of this DIY, and also I will be putting it in the description box below, as well as putting a thumbnail at the end of this video. And I would like to thank Belinda Soto for inviting me here to this collaboration and this challenge, this $10 challenge. So I hope you also are inspired to do this. So please head out to her channel as well as the other ladies participating in this challenge, and go ahead and watch their videos. I'm excited to watch as well, so I'm going to be heading out there. And I hope to talk to you again in my next video, everyone. Take care and God bless. Bye-bye.